Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to trim a video in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this page right here, the menu where you can get started with creating a new composition. So go ahead and select your composition information such as the width, height and so on, and after creating it you'll be greeted right here and can get started with managing your project. So let's go ahead and see how to edit our project. So basically, let's say you have opened up your project or create a new one and you have a video that you want to trim, make it shorter or something similar. This is exactly what we have to do. So right here is going to be our layout where we can go ahead and find all our videos and layers. So what you want to do is go ahead and select the layer and the video that you want to trim and go to that area right here. So let's say our video is right here and we have put our mouse right here. Now we want to trim it. All we have to do is click the following buttons on our PC. So you want to go ahead and select Control, Shift and the D key. So click Control, Shift, D, and this is going to enable you to cut where your mouse was. So after cutting it, you can cut it on another direction as well. And after making a cut right here, you can just go ahead and delete the area that you want to remove, and you can trim the video as much as you want. And after trimming it, you can go ahead and put all the areas and pieces together, and this will create a new video for you that you can use. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.